Today on 8th Gear, Sydney puts her hand in a public cooler, we look at a man, and Jason fiddles with his stick behind a station wagon. My friend rings me up and says, hey, let's go to the Charlotte Auto Fair. 6,500 vendors, thousands of cars going to be on display. I'm going to race you down there on my bike. If you lose, you pay my ticket in. This is going to be public transport versus motorcycle. The motorcycle is going to start in Winston-Salem and have a straight line all the way to the Speedway, except for fighting traffic. Where we're catching a train in Greensboro, and then grabbing a cab in Kannapolis at our train stop, and then taking a cab to the Charlotte Motor Speedway to try to beat the bike there. The bike in question is a 2004 Yamaha R6. Yamaha R6, the official bike of tank slapping your taint. This bike has 121.4 horsepower, and its lightning quick acceleration from 0 to 60 is just 3 seconds. The poor souls that are going to be guiding this bike in its general direction are Ryan and Sydney. I sure hope they don't end up like this guy.
I bet you he's gonna get her phone number.
We're at the depot in Greensboro, North Carolina. And I found an interesting fact. Greensboro has the highest number of swingers in North Carolina.
All aboard!
Woo woo! At exactly 8:32, the race begins.
You better go. We are departing the station right now. See you in second place.
So they saddle up and get on their way.
The bike he's riding has got a torque to weight ratio of 0.07 foot-pounds of torque per pound. This train, on the other hand, has 36 foot-pounds of torque per pound. So that just proves right there that we got this race in the bag.
But I can't be so sure of myself. You see, this bike has a 13,000 RPM rev limit, and 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. It's definitely going to be a worthy adversary. As the miles rolled on, we got to chat on history about the train.
I wonder what the history is on this train.
Well, I'm glad you asked. In 1995, the ancient vampire Lumbee Indians built a steam engine, and they used it for sending smoke signals over long distances to communicate with other tribes. And then they realized that the steam engine, the first rail yard, or first railway was made from Greensboro to Charlotte, and it was made out of a tusk of ancient bunny. The train has a 10-cylinder diesel engine that has 3,000 horsepower and over 36,000 foot-pounds of torque. It has more torque, it can move the moon upside. Are you sleeping? Why are you sleeping?
After all that rubbishness, my friend said, I will give you a gift if you just shut up.
So, I was thinking about you yesterday while I was shopping, looking at bras.
Yeah?
I got this for you.
What is this?
It is a pink heart from my boyfriend.
I was told I had to use it for the rest of the trip.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'm glad you like your present.
It's a good present.
As we're coming through Salisbury, the bike is hot on our tail, only about 10 miles behind us.
Oh, there's one thing I forgot to tell y'all. He's got his Muse, his flame is on the back of the motorcycle. tell you that.
Well, we'll definitely win then. They'll probably have to stop 15 times to go pee.
Yeah, you're right. Man, I hope she drunk a lot of water this morning. Maybe some Pepsis.
Nice. Is that a dual core processor?
Yeah.
That's the motorcycle of phones. Did you know that? You need to upgrade to the quad core. All 4 cores.
We were cocking about so much I forgot to call a cab. So I get on the phone and start calling around. Could not find a cab company to come pick us up at Kannapolis.
We gotta go.
Okay, so we're at Kannapolis right now, getting off the train. Hopefully there's a cab going to be waiting for us outside.
Sir.
This could be a total game changer if our cab isn't waiting for us here.
There are no cabs out here. Holy crap, I think we just lost the race.
Where's your cab?
Alright, we're at the train station. We have to find a cab quick. There is no cabs out here. The race could be over.
Crap, let me go see if we can find a cab.
So I get on the phone and see if I can find a cab company to come
I
pick
need
us
a
up
cab at
pronto.
the train station. Yeah, how quick can you do it? How quick can you...
As we were both coming into Kannapolis, Sydney had to give a pee ration to the urinal station.
I've noticed that too.
Small stop in Kannapolis. We're freezing, plus construction, so we gotta go.
While we're waiting on a cab, we're going to get in touch with some local culture.
One thing I don't understand. Why is Richard Petty's statue 4 feet tall and Earnhardt is 15? What sense does that make? Obviously they like Earnhardt more than they did Han Solo. Look at the detail they put in this statue.
Thanks. All right, we got one coming. We got a taxi cab coming here in about 10 minutes. That's gonna be a deal breaker. We may lose because of this.
With Ryan and Sydney through with their stop, they finally get out on the highway to stop again. And finally, the cab is here. At this point, I just knew Ryan and Sydney were in front of us. Our cab driver was named Tesco, and he explained to me that he knew a shortcut, so that should put us back into the race. We're both sitting in traffic. The suspense is about to kill both of us. Ryan and Sid are pulling up to Charlotte Motor Speedway's parking lot right now. If they could just find a parking spot. We're pulling into the speedway. The taxi cab driver is going to drop us off at the front door.
All right, thank you. Come on. Are they here? Are they here?
No, you suck.
There's no way! There's no way!
The bike was good, but the train was better. Thank you for tuning in to this edition of 8th Gear. Stay tuned for bloopers and outtakes.
If you wanted to order it that way, we would definitely do it for you. But
Y'all serve seafood?
Yes, we have shrimp
Well,
and
shrimp.
trout.
Is it better than Long John Silver's?
Definitely.
I'll be the judge of that.
the main things that we serve are walking sticks.
At a true Top Gear fashion, that's actually a gift. I bought this for you.
For who?
Bought it for you. Yeah.
You have to have that all day.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah. I thought you were getting tired of walking, so this would help you out.
I need my bike.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll fasten you want some ratchet straps? That's sweet. Really kind gift.
It's a flying pig.
Flying pig. Very interesting. Thank you. I'll use it tonight.
Yes, you better.
Catch it.
Doesn't work very well.
Pigs do fly.
I reckon this thing could fly 100 feet, just like this.
See it turn over.
Easy, guys. That thing's faster than a motorcycle.
That's not right.
Low blow. Low blow.
Hey, can you give me an all aboard? Yeah. Yeah, just all aboard. That was pitiful. You need to do it again. Come on. Give me some attitude. What is he doing? Awesome. I don't have to do a meow yet. Meow.
He's got the same dress up kid I do.